So in this problem, A hashtag B is actually not normal notation. It's actually the square root of AB. So because it's a prefix, I'm going to start by circling all the terms that have a operand and then two digits after it, and then I'm going to rewrite it. So dropping down the terms that were unchanged, hashtag 3 forms becomes square root of 12. And then similarly, hashtag 6.2 becomes square root of 12. And then bring out multiplication sign. And then 2 to the third power is 8. And 3 divided by sign, then 4 times 5 is 20, and then 5, and then you have a 1. Now circling back to the other terms that are now our prefix notation. So bringing down the hashtag multiplication sign and the plus sign, you now have 12, 24, 4, and bringing down the 1. Now, 12 plus 1224 is in prefix notation, so bringing that down, you have the hashtag multiplication sign, then 12 plus 24, which is 36. Bring down the 4 and the 1. So now you do 36 times 4, because that's in prefix notation, and that equals, so you do hashtag and then 144, and then you bring down the 1. Now, using the definition provided in the instructions, you get 12.